Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Nordica, the Rosa Reverse. So the Rosa Reverse is one of the few cookers in the Nordica line that actually has the option to do a left or a right hand flue. Now this is not going to be interchangeable on site, it must be ordered this way. So the regular Rosa Reverse is going to have the flue on the right hand side of the stove when facing the front. So keep in mind, anytime that you have a right hand flue, your firebox will be located on the left hand side of the stove. Over here is going to be the Rosa Reverse, the Sinstra model. So the Sinstra model is going to denote that it has the left-hand flue. You will notice when the flue is on the left-hand side, this will automatically move your firebox to the right. So literally the Rosa Reverse and the Rosa Reverse Sinstra are going to be the same stove with different side flues. So I do have more in-depth videos on the Sinstra model. I brought this in. I have cooking videos, baking videos, first burn, so be sure to check that out. This video, I'm just going to give you guys a general overview on the tile model. So this tile is going to have a little bit different design than the Mayalicas. This is what they call the Liberty tile. So this model is available in the burgundy that's going to be shown here, or also in the Pergamenta color. So the Pergamenta is going to be more of a cream color. A lot of the cream colored Nordica stoves have been discontinued. So the Rosa Reverse is going to be one of the few Nordica stoves that you can actually still get in the cream color. I'm going to show you guys inside the firebox. Now the Rosa Reverse model so the Reverse is basically going to be a larger firebox in a smaller oven versus the regular Rosa models. So like the Rosa Soapstone and the Rosa Mayalica models. So you will notice you have a nice big glass viewing area. The door is fully gasketed. Inside the stove, it does have a complete cast iron lining, and your ash pan is going to be located directly below. Two different damper controls for your firebox. Your primary air is going to be located right here on this wheel on the bottom, and then your secondary is going to be located above. So your top damper control is bringing air from above. This is called your air wash. It's what keeps your glass burning nice and clean. Located below your wheel damper. This is bringing your combustion air from underneath the firebox. You definitely want to have that wide open when starting your fire. It makes it super easy to get the fire going. So you will notice the Reverse model, it has a pretty tiny little oven on it. Oven door is going to be fully gasketed. Again, this model just comes with one enamel pan. If you want an oven rack, you do need to purchase that separately. Your oven clean out is going to be located directly below the firebox here. And this is also just extra storage. You could put like some pans down there if you wanted to do that. So again, this is pretty small. This is definitely under a 12-inch width, so your average kind of like cookie sheet or turkey pan is definitely not going to fit in this model. Located below is going to be just a pan storage, so you can do pans down in here. You could also put kindling because it doesn't get super hot down there. So I hope that you guys find this video overview helpful. If you do, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Click subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, the more likes, the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will continue to produce for you. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.